All right, guys, I'm gonna show you my night routine that helped me to take my skin from looking like this to what you see now. Okay, girly, so the first thing I did was wash my hands because although I know I'm washing my face with soap, I just feel like I need to wash my hands again. My hands are wet. Okay, so now I go in with my BioDerma Sensibio. It's a very sensitive, basic as heck cleanser. It's not much to it, and baby, I go in with this because I know there's a bunch of different like turmeric, black soap, all these different soaps, but I like to keep it simple because after this is when I go in with my actives, my active acids from The Ordinary, and that is the real game changer in this skincare routine. They are the best. I recommend them 100%. The water is very important for this step of moisturizer because water is moisture. So if your face is not wet, or at least damp, I wouldn't say soaking wet because then it'll be too wet and the moisturizer would just be very watery. So usually I go in with the BioDerma Sensibio moisturizing cream, but I ran out of that, so I'm just gonna use this. I just take a very small amount. You don't need a lot. A very small amount, like this much, and then rub it in. And you can use your hands for this because at this point your hands should be clean. So next I use The Ordinary, which has been the game changer for me. I'm gonna probably show some more Ordinary products that I've used, but as of right now, I'm trying to just get rid of what I have at home. So I have been using for nighttime the Mandelic acid, and this works awesome. As y'all can see that I'm not complicating my skincare, okay? This is probably a 4-step skincare routine, and there are times where I would complicate it, but right now, babes, I'm not doing that because I'm at the point where my skin has gotten so much better than it was. That was my only goal, so it works for me right now. Right now, my skin is feeling and looking okay. So after I go in with that, that's one of my favorite acids. Then this step usually comes right after the moisturizer. I use hyaluronic acid. Put a little bit of hyaluronic in my hand, and then I also go in with niacinamide, put a little bit of this. I know it's a lot of acids, but trust me, this has been the game changer for my acne. Okay. The smallest amount of that niacinamide. Lastly, I have been spot treating with this. I use this to spot treat the more recent stuff. So let's kind of zoom in a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So something like this right here, I would just rub it there. And I'd also rub it back there. A lot of times I'll rub it under here. At one point I was dealing with a lot of jawline hormonal, so they say it's called hormonal acne. So I just hit my jawline with that, and that's